The production of 13,000 hand-woven scarves by the Varanasi weavers was for bestseller and the Upasana team only the beginning of a long-term engagement. To help the Varanasi weavers, bestseller brought in funds and set up a 2-year plan of action.
It had been 1.5 years Varanasi Weavers project is on. We created one office now in Benares. Upasana has to coordinate the project on a daily basis. What I see Varanasi Weavers project, that it is not about just protecting a craft community to be able to survive. In today's globalized scenario, I see this is also protecting a basic human right.
मतलब पहले तो बहुत लोग मरते हैं गरीब में, मतलब खाने के लिए जब रोजगार है नहीं तो खाना मिलिए कहीं।
मार्च 3 दिन तक लगातार हम लोगों ने सर्वे किया और मैंने पाया कि करीब 800 लूम यहाँ बंद हैं। बेकारी की समस्या थी, लूम लोग तोड़ के उसको रद्दी के भाव में, कूड़े के भाव में बेच रहे थे।
This plan, involving 3 villages that have particularly suffered from the crisis, has evolved in several levels. The first step was to help the weavers tackle the future by improving the quality of their production and helping them switch over from saris to a type of clothing more in keeping with the new generation.
Banaras team or Banaras weavers, what they are making today is not sari. We are not teaching them to make beautiful saris. I think its time is over. Indian women are not wearing saris. We are trying to help them to connect them to the fashion. Everybody wears clothes and everybody wears even far more than ever before. Then how come a weaver community can die in today's world? And it is happening. Somewhere we have missed the bus. We are trying to get them back their lost market through fashion.
The work also involves communication skills, bringing awareness from those in the profession to the problems encountered by the weavers, introducing them to a wider market and helping them create a federation to combine their sales under the project called the Varanasi Weavers.
तो ये वाराणसी वीवर से जब से आई है हमारे गांव में लोगों को काम मिल रहा है, अच्छा पैसे मिल रहे हैं और अपना जीवन बसर अच्छे ढंग से कर रहे हैं।
और पहले हम लोग बहुत परेशान थे, बहुत परेशानी उठानी पड़ी हम लोगों को। जब से बनारस प्रोजेक्ट से हम लोग मिले हैं बुनकर फंसे, तब से हम लोगों का मतलब घर परिवार अच्छा ढंग से मतलब जी रहा है, चल रहा है।
It was equally necessary to highlight the particular quality of hand-woven material in order to avoid cheaper substitute materials from taking over the market.
Under Varanasi Weaver project, we are very sensitive to use certain design techniques which cannot be manufactured in machines. And this is the one step we are taking to protect handloom weavers. Varanasi has a tradition of making exquisite textile which can only be done in handloom, and how do we do that? So we are using techniques like Jamdani. It can only be done by handloom. It cannot be done by powerloom.
An important part of the work involving 150 families was of a social nature as well.
We have also taken ladies from Benares to bring them in forefront. They were forced and shoved into the corner of their homes, not able to articulate themselves where they wanted to. I said, do you have a dream? They thought I'm talking Latin. What does it mean to have a dream?
अभी तो औरतों में बहुत सुधार आ चुका है। पहले औरतें घर से बाहर नहीं निकलती थी, बोलना नहीं जानती थी, लेकिन अब तो बहुत ही औरतें घर से बाहर निकलती हैं, बोलती भी हैं।
Now 90 ladies have gone through their livelihood programs. They have learned to make an embroidered button which Banaras always made. For last 60, 80 years they have forgotten.
A healthcare facility, regular consultations with doctors, and proper medication has also been introduced. Finally, basic infrastructural work was taken up in the villages, particularly with regard to sanitation and water distribution, both essential for good hygiene and for remedying the chronic electricity problems.
हमारे घर में अगर दीदी लाइट आ जाए तो मतलब कि हमारे बहुत फर्क पड़ेंगे कि गांव को महिला भी कुछ करें, हम भी मतलब जुड़ते रहेंगे, कुछ काम कर सकते हैं।
हर तरह से विकास करना, उनको बैंक के बारे में जानना, उनके शिक्षा दीक्षा के बारे में जानना, उनके स्वास्थ्य और सफाई के बारे में जानकारी देना।
This project is a prototype to further the thread of tradition. Varanasi is a first step in that direction.